Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vomits 21. 20. Vomits 20. Vomits 20. This is
Hey
today.
y'all, welcome to Vlogmas 20. Thank you everybody, and I hope everybody's having a beautiful day so far.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to read my scripture. My God should supply all your needs according to his riches in glory. Philippians 4:19. Okay. He is able also to save them to the utmost that cometh unto him by him. Hebrews 7:35. And these are my scriptures for today. And I'm getting ready to make a whipped cream pound cake. So stay tuned and get ready. I'm getting ready to get started. Thank you. Okay. Sugar. Okay. I'm getting ready now to get started.
Okay, y'all, she's putting in 3 cups of sugar and 2 sticks of butter, which equals 1 cup of butter. And this is a whipped cream pound cake she's making.
Okay. Change it. Okay, everyone. I'm back with you, but I had to change the mixer. I had bought a new one, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work well. So I'm going back to the old-fashioned hand mixer. Okay. So I'm going to be putting 1 egg at a time.
And it calls for 6 eggs. Y'all, you're supposed to beat each egg for a minute. Let's see it. Y'all, you beat each egg for a minute.
Okay. That's 2 in there already. I'll try to finish that one out, but I really busted. Okay, I'm putting another one. Okay, one more. Now one more. This is the last one. Okay, the salt is coming here with the flour.
And that's a half a teaspoon of salt. She's going to shift the flour. And she's going to put a little of flour in, and then she's going to put the heavy cream in.
Oh no.
And y'all make sure at this part you don't beat it long, so your cake won't be flat. Okay.
Okay. Give me a piece of paper towel. All right, a little more cream. Rest of the flour. Okay. And the rest of the cream. Then I put the flavor.
It is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, y'all. But the recipe will be down in the description box. The description, I mean, below.
Okay.
Okay, y'all, she's gonna put this in the oven for 90 minutes on 300. And we'll be back once it's done. Thank you.
Okay. All right. This is my final presentation of my whipped cream cake. So now I'm going to cut me a little piece of it. Wait a minute, just a little piece of it fell out. Okay.
Okay, y'all, here's the cake. Very moist, bounce back. So here's the cake, y'all.
Give me a fork. Oh, this one. Okay. It's very moist. I want you all to see it. So. Very moist. Very good texture. So I thank you all for watching. And I hope you will enjoy this video of whipped cream cake, a whipped cream pound cake. So thank you so much.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's very, very good. It's off the chain. Believe me, it's nice and moist and everything. So thank you so much. And I hope you will enjoy it. Try it. It's very good. Very, very good. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye with all my love.
Sorry, y'all, for moving. It got a big bottom at the bottom. All right, y'all. Thank you. Vlogmas Day 20. Thank you.